It is my great passion to emit change, not only in my own life, but in the lives of others. EMIT Change stands for education, motivation, inspiration, and transformation. I received this vision about 11 years ago, in which I was told it's once you educate yourself that you get a different perspective. And with this new perspective, you can move forward. Motion happens, and then you're motivated to create change in your life. But that motivation needs inspiration. It needs spirit for it to be lasting. And that is why first educate, and then you feel that motivation to make the change, to move, and then you need to have that spirit to make it last, because when we act from desperation, it leads to more desperation. When we act from inspiration, this is when we truly create change in our lives. And the final stage, transformation, which takes practice, determination, discipline, focus. Now, in my own life, I have experienced the part of education. I did many courses and educated myself, and finally had a great perspective and understood everything with my mind. And this motivated me to create change in my life. At first, I did it through my own free will, and it was hard work. It took effort until I realized I needed to be inspired. I need to bring spirit into it. I need to tap into the energy of all creation that is within me for it to become easier. The final part was to make a decision, to be committed to this new way of thinking and being, and to apply everything that I know, because I have learned that knowing something doesn't change my life. By applying what I know, that creates change, and that is the transformation part. So it's my dream to put together a program where people can be educated, and I'll give them and share information with them that will make them look at things in their lives from a different perspective, and to simplify the complicated things in their lives. And that will motivate them to create change, to move forward, and then to bring them and connect them with who they truly are and what they are a part of, to remind them of their divinity and their oneness and their wholeness, and that within us is the source of infinite abundance and an energy that is miraculous, that is powerful, and this is available to us unconditionally to create the most beautiful lives. And once we connect with that spirit within ourselves, with the true self, with the energy of creation, then, and we apply this, transformation is possible in our lives. Now, in this EMIT Change 90-day training program, we provide you with the education. So we're going to focus on 4 areas to connect with this energy that is within all of us, to connect with pure consciousness, pure awareness, divinity. And then the relationships. Very important, so that you can understand that your relationship with yourself will be reflected to you by every other relationship, and how to create beautiful relationships for yourself, because this is the most important part when we're here, is the relationships that we have. And everybody who comes to me with 3 things to heal in their lives: their relationships, their health, and their wealth. And this is why I'm going to focus on these 3 areas. First, your connection with the all that is energy of creation, and then relationships. Then we're going to look at your health, and we're going to have beautiful exercises in this health section, looking with your relationship that you have with your body, and how magnificent this body is, and how you can use this body to transform your entire life. And then finally, wealth, because we are all deserving of all the abundance, a beautiful life in which we have everything that we need, want, and desire. And the truth is that everything is here already. It's already in your life. Everything already exists. If you are not currently experiencing it in your reality, in your relationships, in your health, or in your wealth, then there is just something that you believe that is preventing you from seeing it and from experiencing it. Some negative emotions that you're holding on to, or old conditionings that is preventing you from experiencing heaven. Because currently we are in heaven, and the more we clear these limiting beliefs, the things that we believe about ourselves, about life, about God, about everything that is preventing us from experiencing heaven. This is the journey I'm going to take you on, so that at the end of this beautiful 90-day training program, you will feel like you're in heaven, and you will experience the bliss that is already here. You will have all that you need, want, and desire. You will enjoy beautiful relationships, perfect health, and be in a wealth consciousness.